Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to send snaps from your camera roll as a normal snap. So, let's get started. First, open your Snapchat on your phone, and then at the bottom of the screen, tap on the memories icon, then swipe to the left or click the camera roll to access your photos. Then choose the photo you want to send as a snap. Once it's selected, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, select Edit Photo. This will open the photo editor and make any adjustment you like, such as you can add stickers, text, or filters to make it look more like a snap. Once you're done editing, tap the send button in the bottom right corner. Select your friends or story it and send it like a regular snap. And that's it. Your snap is now look like it was taken and sent in real time. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching!